Hey tribe, I could not find my Motives eye base. I think I'm all out of it, so I just grabbed a Motives light concealer to start this cute, it's simple, get ready with me using the Demure palette.
Just call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James.
Okay, I'm going to be using the color Bear all over kind of my crease and above as my transition shade. It's a gorgeous color, kind of meant for blending. It's kind of almost one shade darker than my skin tone, so it's going to give it a really natural look. Give them some lash and sip your trim tea. Lash and tea, lash and tea. This brush is a little bit fluffier, so I'm going to go right into, I believe that's Aura. I'm going to go right into Aura and also blend that out a lot with the fluffy brush. It's adding a little bit more depth to that transition. And you see it's coming out really natural and really subtle. Oh, I see you. I see you dancing. Cute, cute. Okay, next we're gonna go in with one of my favorite colors in this whole palette, obviously because it's called Lush. And it is this beautiful rusty cognac, gorgeous color for every day. We're just gonna put that on the outer corners a little bit and blend it. Can't forget to sit. Okay, you see how cute this is looking, but still really natural. So now that we have kind of Lush where we want it, we're gonna go back in using a little bit of Teddy, and Teddy is a matte chocolatey brown. It's so rich, it's like hot chocolate for the eyes. You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. Yes. Now we're putting Teddy right, like packing it into the outer corner and blending it up a little bit to meet Lush, so it still looks super natural, but it's still about 4 colors. Girl, all she want to do is sip and slay. Sip and slay all day. So still blending out Teddy a little bit.
Call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James.
Okay, now we're packing on a little bit of Lights Out mixed with Teddy. Now Lights Out is going to give you a rich cocoa, just a little bit. And remember, these are all matte, so they're building off one another, but yet you're still using a couple of different shades. Okay, now I went right in with using Pure as a highlight underneath the brow bone, and that was just a really pretty matte highlight color, gorgeous color. Whatever you do on the top, you want to do on the bottom. So I'm just using an angled brush to go in with lights out, and that's that pretty matte kind of cocoa color, just to, you know, smear out a little bit of color on the waterline. My lashes are giving me the hardest time today. Like, really, why? Why, lash gods? Why?
Just call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James.
Oh, look, there she is, perpetually looking for something that she never finds. Phenomenal. Okay, so now we're using this beautiful kind of golden champagne called Sunkissed in the Demure palette right over the lid, and we just took that up to the crease, and we're just kind of going back in and amplifying the crease with a little bit of our favorite Lush. Ladies, you need this palette in your life. All of my palettes are my go-to, but this one right here creates such beautiful looks all in one palette. I can't get enough of how natural everything looks and how easy it is for the colors to blend.
Just call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James.
Oops, it looks like the palette is in the way, but right here, that's literally just applying a little bit of a gel liner at the lash line. I have on clusters in this look, so you wouldn't be able to see the lash, the fake lash to my lashes, because the clusters are placed underneath my natural lash.
Call me James, call me James.
Just a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line, because like I said, the clusters are super full on my upper lash line, so we just want the look to look super natural. T insert. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorites too. Now, this is the Shape and Sculpt Duo from Motives. You're gonna get one side that is for a contour and one side that is for your highlight, and it's both powder. So I'm using that powder contour just to carve out my cheeks, cheeks a little bit and make it a little bit more angled. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just a little bit of contour, and you see how chiseled and angled but still natural. Oh, got the Miami glow, and you guys see my palette. My pan is struggling with the capital S. Just a little bit down the nose, on the chin, just to create a little bit of heavenly goddess glow.
Just call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James, call me James.
I usually highlight on the forehead a little bit and then take it away so it won't be such a harsh highlight. I know that's all the trend right now, but we're going back to makeup that's classy and gets you paid. So you want to look as natural as possible, but as beat and slayed as possible. Yes, heavens, Yes, makeup gods. What are you saying? All right, we're going in with one of my favorite blushes from Motives, and this one is, I believe, Ginger. Okay. We see you. We see you. So Ginger gives you that pretty, okay, Millie Rock on every block. Okay, y'all, she's doing the most. Anywho, fix the hair. Yes, look cute. Okay, we see you. So yes, back to the finished look. Cute. I see. Okay. Yes. Ooh. So we're just finishing off this gorgeous look with a lip liner. This is a Motives lip crayon in Dusty Rose. And that's going to give us a really kind of natural medium brown, not too dark. We don't want those 90s dark liner lips anymore, ladies. Not anymore. And if you have not gotten your hands on a Motives matte, I don't know what you're doing. So this is the Motives Maven's matte, and she's a doll, and it's a really pretty warm nude pink. Isn't she lovely? No psych, but it's like a really pretty pink. I love it. Okay, we're going back in and putting a little bit more of our powder or eyeshadow in Lights Out on the waterline, and then kind of just amplifying our crease a little bit so we still remain super natural and super slayed and really pretty. Feel it, soak it in. It's natural, it's pretty, and it's slayed.